Hey guys, welcome back to She Makes 31. Join me today as I walk the aisles and shop at Aldi. I'll be showing you what I got at the very end of the video, and I'll include the prices. If this is your first time here, then welcome. I want to introduce myself. I'm Natalia, and it would mean so much to me if you would subscribe to my channel and also like this video. I'm a mama to 3 boys. Here I was very pregnant with my 3rd boy, little Caleb, and he was born about 4 weeks ago. So this was the shopping that I did right before he was born. It has to have like a yellow side to it. That means it's nice and sweet.
Yummy! I got that watermelon. I can't wait.
You love watermelon, huh?
Oh.
That one looks good.
Yummy watermelon.
They say when you're 9 months pregnant that your baby is the size of a watermelon, so I thought I'd try it out and compare. One of my favorite things to buy at Aldi is the produce. They have a lot of salad mixes here as well, which I thought were really cool. Asian chop mix, Southwest mix, and all of this is very reasonable. And they also have a lot of organic produce like the chopped kale that you see here. Now in this video I wanted to showcase like summer snacks. My oldest is out of school right now, and so I don't know about you guys, but I feel like he wants to eat so much snack all day when he is not at school. So I wanted to make sure I stocked up on some snacks. So I just wanted to show you moms out there that they do have a lot of varieties of snacks here, fruit snacks, and I'm going to also show you different alternatives other than the packaged stuff.
Look at his face.
So they actually did have strawberries on sale, but they were really yucky. The ones that were on the shelf, there was like 2 left. But I asked in the back if they had any more, and so they brought out this whole entire pallet full of strawberries, and they were just beautiful, nice, big, and red.
Go ahead, get one.
Is you ready?
Yeah.
I got one.
Okay, put them in the cart. Come on, Noah, put them in the cart.
It will be wet on top of it. Yep.
So this was the first time that I saw these packaged up fruit and cheese trays and veggies. I thought they would be great for like on-the-go snacks for little trips or picnics or anything like that. And sometimes just to keep your kids nice and calm when you're shopping. So they have their own version of like little Lunchables from the Never Any brand, which is a more natural alternative. And then they had this product here. It's like an Aldi find. I think it's brownie batter and vanilla bean hummus, which I was not brave enough to try it, but I thought that was very interesting. And of course, you can't go to Aldi and not stop by the 2 Aldi Finds aisles. There's always such good stuff here, and I brag about it every single time I come because it's new stuff every single week. So always check the weekly ad. It comes out every Wednesday. So if you want something there, they have like a preview of what they're gonna have on sale. And so take a sneak peek at the ad, and that way if you really see something that you want, make sure that you're there on Wednesday because a lot of this stuff sells out pretty quick. Oh, and you can check out their ads on their website. one of the things to look out for is for reduced prices on items. Because they only have 2 aisles of this stuff, they need to move the product quickly, so they will mark down the stuff that hasn't sold. So keep an eye out for that. How random is this guy just laying down on the sleeping mat? I thought that was really hilarious. I would love for you guys to follow me on Instagram. My handle is @shemakes31. I like to post things about my family there, pictures of the kiddos, and just stories about my day. So go ahead and follow me there, and we can also connect there. And hello there, creepy owl. Now, Aldi mainly carries their own brand of items, but they also have staple items in name brands like your Coca-Cola products, and you saw the Annie's popcorn there. They'll have special buys like that where they'll bring in a specific brand of product and have it on sale. So that's one of the ways that they keep their prices low, is by having mostly their own product in stores. Now, if you have kids, I would definitely recommend going through these Aldi Finds aisles, because they really do have great little gems of things that you can get for your kiddos. They had car seats this particular week and strollers. They had a lot of summer toys, like outdoor toys like bubbles. They had this playpen here, stuffed animals. I mean, they really do have a great selection. They like to also carry a lot of books. Every week I see books. And here they have the Little Journey brand, which is their baby brand. They also carry diapers, formula, all of these things, baby foods. So definitely check it out if you're a mama. If you shop at Aldi, let me know, what is your favorite product that they carry? What is it that you always get when you're there? Let me know in the comments below. I'm just curious to see what everybody likes, so I can try some new stuff if I haven't already. Here I wanted to show you this Aldi Find the Kodiak cakes. I think these are great. They're frozen and you can serve them up for breakfast during the summertime for your kiddos. Waffle flavored chicken and waffle bites. I think it's $4.99. I didn't get them, but I thought, again, a great snack. Sausage cheese breakfast pizza. Another great, like, different idea for breakfast for the kids. And not necessarily just for the kids, but for the family. So here I'm checking out, and one of the things I love about Aldi is that they're super fast with their checkout. Here's everything I got, guys, and now I'm going to tell you how much everything costs. Alright guys, this is all the stuff I got, and I'm going to go by each item and tell you how much everything costs. The total on this bill was $80.30. So first is the Rising Crust Pizza. That was $2.69. We got the bag of Mexican shredded cheese, and that was only $2.79. And then I like this iced coffee, guys. It's a seasonal favorite item that they carry, and it's $2.99, and I think it's really, really good. They got some beef broth and some chicken broth. They were both $1.39. I'm gonna be using these for Instant Pot meals. I recently got an Instant Pot, and so a lot of the recipes require that I like anyway. And then we have a 3-pound bag of rice. White rice is $1.99. Light sour cream is $1.29. Now these guys, the strawberries, I got 4 of them because they were only $1.29, and they are beautiful. They had some on the shelf, and then as you guys saw, they brought some out that were nice and fresh, so I'm glad I was able to get those. Spreadable butter is $2.79. We have these. We usually don't get pork chops, but we thought we'd do them this time, and they were $5.72. They were $3.49 a pound. Next we have their brand of like the Nutella hazelnut spread, and that was $2.29. And then you guys know my staples, the ground beef. It was on sale, I believe, and it was $3.99 a pound, and that was $9.30 total. And then this beautiful watermelon, that's how big my belly is right now, if not bigger, and it was only $2.79, and it's a seedless one. We have these Jell-O snacks. Don't usually get these, but for the summer I thought it would be a great treat for the boys, and those are 89 cents each for a 4-pack. Great deal. And then their own brand of Boulder napkins, and those were $1.79. The paper plates right here are $2.29. I love getting my paper products from here. They're very good quality. Next on my list is the string cheese. I love their string cheese. I don't know, I've tried like the Walmart brand and I just don't like the taste, but these are really good. It was $2.79, and it's a great summer snack, as are these. And let's see, we got some yellow rice. This yellow rice is so good, guys, and it's only $1.29. And we're doing taco night tonight, and these were the extra large burrito tortillas, and they were $1.98, and they were marked down. So always look for those markdowns because they do have them quite often. I wanted to try something new. It's called Simply Sweet Delightful Popcorn. I figured this would be kind of like their equivalent to the Boom Chicka Pop popcorn, which they also do have in stock, but I thought I'd try this. It was only $1.29, and I thought it would be a good snack. We got green peppers, and those are $2.49, and spinach right here. I'm gonna use these for smoothies. My boys love smoothies in the summers especially, and so I like to put in some greens this way. And those, that bag is $1.39. Yeah, a pound of Roma tomatoes for $1.49. Another great snack here are the blueberries for smoothies again, and then my Noah just likes to like eat the whole thing if I let him, and those are $1.49. Those were also on special. Another snack here are the wheat thin equivalent thin wheat crackers, and those are only $1.69. And I got a lot of fresh produce. These make for really great snacks during the summer, especially I like to cut these up and put them in for smoothies. I freeze them. This pineapple was only $1.29. Needed some honey for some teriyaki chicken that I'm going to be making. That was only $2.99. And then I like the Le Sueur brand peas, and these are only 50 cents, and they're ALDI's brand, the Happy Harvest, and I feel like they taste just as good as the Le Sueur for a lot less money, so that's definitely a great buy. And let's see, oh, of course, I can't go to Aldi without getting a package of chicken breasts, and this whole package was $9.71, and it was, I believe, $1.89 a pound. So yeah, this has lots of great things here for the summer for your kids. This pizza is great. Strawberries, fresh fruit always makes a great snack. Watermelon keeps them hydrated. So I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this video and that you got some ideas for summer snacks for your kids. Definitely check out Aldi. They are great and they have great prices. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you're also subscribed because I do love to do Aldi hauls, and coming up soon I probably will do the Walmart pickup hauls because baby number 3 is going to be here soon, and that'll make my life easier. Instead of having to walk into the store, I can do that. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.